Wanted to give you a quick instructional video on how to fix the steering wheel squeak in the Tesla Model 3. You don't need that many supplies. All you need is some paper towel and some WD-40 with a straw. Originally, I tried to fix this issue just by going underneath here, undoing this screw underneath the steering wheel, but I realized that this plastic panel here does not pop off easily. Really what you're going to need to do if you want to do it properly is go under here and unscrew all of these screws and clips. I did find a faster way to make it super easy. Actually, all you need to do is go into these holes that are in the side of the steering wheel, and we're going to give it a little spray of the WD-40, and actually that has solved my problem. This issue is only really coming up when it's really cold out. I live in Michigan, and only since the temperatures have dropped below 32 degrees have I started seeing this issue. I suspect that, you know, they just didn't come across this issue in testing, and they probably didn't put enough lubricant in the steering wheel column. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. So I'm going to take my WD-40. This is on the side with the screen. Go ahead and give it a little stick it in as far as I can. Spray around a little bit. See if that's solved my issue. And after a little bit of a twist in, seems like the issue has gone away. After spraying some WD-40, especially after some twisting of the steering wheel, some WD-40 did come out a little bit of these holes. I think it's on both sides actually. So yeah, just go ahead and use your paper towel now and give that a quick cleanup. If this video helpful, please like and subscribe if you thought so. Also, there will be more videos coming on quick fixes on how to fix Tesla Model 3.